Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RV. We're going to take a look at this 2021 Heritage Glen 34RL is the model. So we'll go check it out here in a minute. All right, coming inside of this 34RL, you walk in the door. So you got right on the hallway to the right here, you got your control panel with all your controls. And then right beside it, you've got some fan controls here. And you to the left here, you got your cabinets on the wall there. Behind the bathroom, you've got the double fridge, gas and electric. You got a nice glass oven door with a big 3 burners, big microwave, pantry. You got fireplace, big screen TV. You got the island with a big sink in it, stainless steel package. So you got the recliners across from the TV and fireplace, stereo built in, DVD player and everything. So in the rear, you got the nice big windows with the couch hide to bed. A lot of LEDs. You got air conditioning here in the rear with a fantastic fan. They actually skylights. You got LED lights all over. These table and chairs, 4 table and chairs. You got the roller shades on these. Have the roller shades, which are nice, better than those pull down cloth ones. So when you walk up into the bedroom, to the left you got your bathroom. You got the big double sink. It's got the big shower with a glass door. And then you got to go into the bedroom. You've got actually second air conditioner in the bedroom with a big nice bed. You got a dresser and a big closet, washer and dryer hookup. So yeah, inside very nice. And then we'll go outside. And then on the outside, you walk outside, you got a big awning with LED strips underneath it. And on the sides, you got the bay where your water and all your actually has filtered water. You have your automatic leveling jacks, push button. So, and then you got some storage in the front with your bay there. You got the pass through all the way through, but a lot of storage outside. All right. Hey, thanks again for coming to our website. And Dewey McDonald, I can sell fifth wheels, toy haulers, travel trailers, campers, you name it. Come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.